Hi everyone, welcome to On the Other Hand. I'm Ariane Zersher, and today I'm going to be demonstrating the Wheatear stitch. It's a really pretty stitch and one that I'm demonstrating in a couple of different weights and a variety of different threads, so you can see what it's like and you explore the different threads that you can use with it. I hope you'll join me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Click on the little bell next to the subscribe button to get an email notification. I love hearing from you, so leave me any comments you want in the comments section. And don't forget to check out the description section. That's where I leave links to all the different thread types that I'm using, as well as anything else that I use within this video. So grab something to stitch with, grab a needle and some thread, and let's get stitching. For the Wheatear stitch, I am going to use it to go around this leaf shape, which will be a little bit trickier than if I just did a straight line. The Wheatear stitch you need to think of as 3 tracks. So my first track is going to be just to the outside of my appliqued leaf. The second track is going to be the edge of the appliqued leaf, and the third track is going to be right here on the inside of the leaf. Here's the Wheatear done in the leaf shape, and I wanted to show you how I did this. I start at the very top. Now, there are a couple ways you could do it. You could just start at a point and you could go all the way around. What I did here was I started at the top, I went down, I ended, I started at the top, I went down and ended, because I wanted my V's to all be going this way. If you don't care, you could just do one continuous strip, but I'll show you what I did. Now you have your 3 tracks. You start on the side one. I'm going to go down into the second track, come up on the third track, go back down, take my little stitch for my leg, come back with the back of my needle, go through the V, and that's my loop. Come down, go down for my leg, come back up, back of the needle, go through my V. Back of the needle. Up, down, over, down. Here's my leg. Through. I'll make my leaf be a little bit wider. There's my leg. Back of the needle. Down. Come down, back of the needle, This is going to be my last stitch. My point. I'm going to end here. I'm just kind of exaggerating my point. I'm extending beyond where the applique goes. That's okay. Now I'm going to end my thread and I'm going to come back and start up here. Here's where I'm going to start. I'm going to go right where that leg is. I'm going to come down and I'm going to go right up to meet the other leg, which is extending a little far, so I'm going to actually go over it. Go down, get my little leg. There's my little loop. This is the Spanish knotted feather stitch, and there's the Wheatear. I'm using a number 8 variegated eleganza EZM 89. So I'm coming down on my track here. I'm going up. Think of it as 3 tracks. First track is here, second track is here, third track is over here. I come up on the first track, I go down on the second, and I'm making a V here. So from the third back down to the second. And now I come and I make a leg. I'm going to slide my needle between these two, the V, and that's where I make a little loop. And I come back up, go back down to where that loop ends, and come up on the other side. Go down. Here's my leg, back of the needle. Make a loop. If I want to extend this, I can. I can make this a much more exaggerated V if I want. There's my leg. If you want to make this easier for yourself, especially in the beginning, when you're first doing this, you can just do 3 chalk lines. And then you've got your 3 tracks. And that could make it certainly easier, so it's one less thing you're thinking about. Get out my Oriental Linen, it's always fun. So I just did 3 little chalk lines here, just to help me out. I'm going to come up, go down, come up to the next one, go back down, do my leg, come around, back up. Isn't that cool, though? This is seagrass, and this is called Idaho Sage, and it is really lovely to work with, and I realized that I have not used it to demonstrate any stitches, so I think I did for the fly stitch. I used seagrass. Just going to keep going, just the way I had before. In the seagrass. Isn't that pretty? Oriental Linen, number 8 Eleganza, Silken Pearl. Such a pretty stitch. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. I love hearing from you, so leave me any comments you'd like to in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe. Click on the little bell next to the subscribe button so you can get an email notification. And don't forget to check out the description section. That's where I leave links to all the different threads that I use, as well as the needles I use. Until next time, here's to stitching together.